And that is one thing I do enjoy about Cardinal is I get to actually deal with a real person when I call. It's not an automated voice messaging system. I don't have to go through a directory to talk to someone. When I had my hot water heater installed, we had a problem with our hot water supply just running out really quickly. We had assumed it was solely the hot water heater. It wasn't. There was a problem, I believe, with the bypass valve in the shower that we didn't even know was a problem, and one of your techs found it and repaired it and told me about it, explained to me what was going on, showed me why it was a problem, and now our hot water is wonderful. We never run out of hot water. I asked the techs if I could just kind of watch their process and just learn a few things, and they didn't have a problem with that at all. It was quite enjoyable to watch. They talked to me, talked to them, and got to know them pretty well. They're almost always on time. They're usually early, and they do a great job while they're here. Techs are always nice. They're respectful. They always hand me the instructions to the new equipment. They walked me through it. They showed me what they had to do to install it. They walked me through how to run new equipment. And by the time they leave, I feel completely satisfied with being able to operate it myself. When I have a specific question relating to something that's been installed or something that's broken, I generally get directed to whatever department handles that. So electrical for electrical, plumbing for plumbing, and I always get a satisfactory answer. Cardinal Heating and Electric was absolutely 100% pivotal in me starting my own small business. They ran all the electrical work to my garage, which allowed me to open up my own welding shop, Steel Forest Welding and Forge. I've had several instances where people have asked me where I get work done, and I always recommend Cardinal Heating and Electric. They always do a great job. I'm always happy, I'm always satisfied with the work they do, and I recommend them to everyone.